Embark on a journey through time and consciousness as we unravel the mystical secrets of the mirror technique, a practice that has withstood the test of over 2,000 years, influencing lives across the ages. But wait, there's more to this ancient art than meets the eye. Beyond the reflective surface lies a clandestine ritual, a magical formula that propels the power of the mirror technique to extraordinary heights. Today, I'm not just revealing the secrets, I'm handing you the key to unlock this ancient one. Stay tuned till the end, and you'll personally receive the keys to transform your reality with the mirror technique. Greetings, seekers of wisdom and champions of personal growth. Welcome back to your haven for exploring the boundless potentials of the mind and unlocking the doors to transformation. If you're new here, consider this your exclusive invitation to join our vibrant community. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and brace yourself for a daily infusion of empowerment. Today, we are delving into the mystique of an ancient and highly revered practice, the mirror technique. If you've attempted this technique without witnessing the desired metamorphosis, fear not. Stick with me until the end, for I am about to unravel not just the secrets but a magical word that acts as a catalyst, elevating the mirror technique to unparalleled effectiveness. Are you ready to break through barriers, redefine norms, and tap into a power you never knew you had? I'm not merely talking about wishful thinking. I'm talking about tangible results. The law of attraction and personal development aren't just buzzwords. They're your roadmap to success. Today, we will uncover the intricacies of the mirror technique, demystify its essence, and equip you with the tools to wield its power with precision. Now, let's unlock the secrets of the mirror technique and pave the way for a new chapter in your personal development journey. Let's get started. The mirror technique, deeply rooted in ancient wisdom, is a renowned practice that has stood the test of time. However, if you found yourself implementing it without achieving the desired results, it's possible that the technique is not being utilized to its full potential. Throughout this journey, I will guide you to the core of the mirror technique and provide insights into why it might not have worked as expected. Stick with me until the end, and I'll introduce you to a magical word, a key that can unlock the full potential of this ancient and transformative practice. In the quest to harness the power of the mirror technique, it's crucial not to become entangled in questions of how things will change. The how is a force beyond our control, much like embarking on a profound journey within oneself. If the mirror technique hasn't yielded the expected results, consider that your mind might not have been adequately prepared for the transformative experience. Integral to the success of the mirror technique is the cultivation of gratitude. Instead of succumbing to complaints, envision a scenario such as being stuck in traffic. Rather than expressing frustration, appreciate the comfort of your surroundings and the control you exert over your environment. Gratitude goes beyond merely abstaining from complaints. It involves transforming those moments into expressions of thanks. The mirror technique advocates for the embracement of the present moment while steering clear of the pitfalls of worry. Worrying tends to give birth to doubt, creating a cycle that hampers the effectiveness of the technique. Breaking free from this cycle involves utilizing the mirror technique without the burden of doubt or worry, a pivotal factor for its optimal efficacy. Challenge the limiting beliefs ingrained by societal norms that may lead you to believe you can't achieve certain things. Negative thoughts can erect boundaries, hindering your confidence. Recognize that at your core, you possess limitless possibilities and have had the power to achieve anything from the very beginning. At its essence, the mirror technique operates as the world's grandest board of positive statements. While conjuring positive outcomes might be a challenge for some, the mirror technique, with its affirmations, acts as a powerful tool to cut through those challenges. It goes beyond the mere articulation of positive thoughts. It involves hearing and absorbing them, allowing this information to permeate your mind in two impactful ways. Now, let's unravel the one-word trick that enhances the mirror technique. Congratulations! This word engages a command within our brains, expressing thanks and genuine happiness for oneself. It transcends verbal expression. It's about acknowledging and celebrating personal achievements. Picture it as giving credit to the person you see in the mirror, an act of profound self-recognition. For example, congrats on improving your relationships every day. Visualize the enhancement of your connections, finding the right person, and feeling the love your partner has for you. Congrats on staying healthy. Envision yourself recovering from illness, feeling pains dissipating, tumors disappearing, and embracing happiness with your body's shape. Congrats on financial success. Revel in the satisfaction of paying off debts, witness the growth of your finances, and recognize the best opportunities for sales and business coming your way. Reflect on the profound significance of this formula. All these positive statements are already organized within your mind, akin to a vast board of positive thoughts. The key lies in utilizing this method correctly, paving the way for the manifestation of your desires. It's not just a wish. It's a proven method observed in those who have embraced and applied this transformative technique. The power is within you. As we conclude this insightful exploration into the profound world of the mirror technique, I want to invite you to take an active role in your personal journey of transformation. Apply the invaluable tips we've discussed, infuse your life with the power of gratitude, and harness the magic encapsulated within the word congratulations. Your mind is a reservoir of untapped potential, and the mirror technique can be your key to unlocking it. If you found the information in this video enlightening and helpful, take a moment to express your appreciation by liking this video. Share it with friends, family, or anyone you believe could benefit from the transformative insights we've delved into today. And most importantly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to become a valued member of our empowering community. By subscribing, you ensure that you stay connected to a wealth of knowledge and inspiration that can fuel your ongoing journey towards personal growth. Your engagement, likes, and shares contribute to the collective empowerment of our community, and for that, I am truly grateful. Thank you so much for joining me on this enlightening journey through the mirror technique. Always remember, the mirror reflects not only your image, but also the boundless potential that resides within you. If you're eager to continue your exploration of self-discovery, empowerment, and the secrets of the mind, be sure to explore our other videos right here on this channel. Your next step towards transformation awaits, and there's a treasure trove of insights waiting for you. Until we meet again, whether it's in the comments section or in the next video, keep manifesting greatness in your life. Stay empowered, stay inspired.